Happy birthday, Darwin, from Aunt Emily.
Oh no. It's my birthday!
It was your birthday.
What is it? What is it?
What is it?
It's a toy.
Let me see. So what do you say to Aunt Emily? What do you say? Look at here and tell her. She's going to see this.
Darwin, what do you say?
Look here.
It's my holiday. So it's my birthday today is a holiday Christmas.
What do you say to Aunt Emily? Look in here and tell her, because I'm going to send this to her. Hey, look right here.
Oh no.
Darwin.
This is my birthday.
What do you say to Emily?
Emma, thank you.
Look in here and tell her.
This is my Christmas, and it's always holiday.
Darwin, tell Emily thank you.
Look in here and tell her thank you.
Thank you. It's my holiday.